Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the fixed position in CSS. If you've been enjoying this series, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a lot, and I'm sure you've been gaining some value as well. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So, fixed position is basically when, or let's actually, go into this more slowly here. So when an element's position is set to absolute, as in the last video, the element will scroll with the rest of the document when a user scrolls. We can fix an element to a specific position on the page regardless of a user scrolling by setting the position to fixed. Now, accompanying with it will be the offset properties like top, bottom, left, and right. For example, if we set the title element right here to fixed, it's essentially going to make its position no matter where it's going to have a fixed position no matter where the user scrolls on the page. For example, like this, the awesome website right here, it's going to be fixed no matter how much the user scrolls. The technique is often used for navigation bars on the website. So like stuff like this, we want it to stay, and that's where we'll probably use it here. So in the style.css, change the position property of the header rule to fixed. So we're gonna make it fixed. And then let's see, scroll down and up. Yeah, we can see that it's nice. The problem is that it's just not, it's just not fluid. Notice that the welcome section is now covered up by the header. That's because when we changed the position of the header to fixed, we removed it from the flow of the HTML document. Let's go ahead and set the position of the dot welcome to be relative as well. So we'll do dot welcome, and then we'll do position, we'll do relative. Run that, and then yeah, there you go. So it looks nice. The problem is this thing, we have to put it under there, and we'll learn how to do that more um, in the next lessons. But yeah, okay. And then offset the welcome section by 200 pixels from the top. So we'll do top, and we'll set it 200 pixels from the top. Everything might not be displayed correctly just yet, but we'll fix it later. Like, yeah. So it's not perfect right now, but we're gonna go ahead and fix it. So no worries there. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. If you wanna watch this be fixed over time, stay tuned. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.